So you're in the market for a DJI Neo 2. The DJI Neo 2 can do a lot of things. It's several drones in one. It's an FPV drone, it's a selfie drone, and you can use it as a regular DJI drone as well. Can the DJI Neo 2 do long range also? Long range is going to come down to the battery. Your battery power is going to determine how far you can go. The technology in the DJI Neo 2 is really good as far as radio transmission. It says like 20 kilometers, but the battery range is gonna determine how far it can go, whether or not. Anyway, I'm gonna do a long range test with the DJI Neo 2, see how far we can go. I'm outside Vegas. I'm in the Vegas Valley on the edge. It's pretty windy. I got up on this hill and it was pretty windy, but it was only like 5 miles an hour, maybe 5 to 10. But then when I got on this hill, it was an easy 15. So I'm going to do a long range test anyway. I'm just heading right into the wind. Now, like I say, 15 mile an hour headwind. I don't know. It's probably going to affect it some, how far I can go. But I know, like, I'm going to try to push it and go to like 50%. I know it's going to take more battery heading out into the wind than it will to return, but I don't know how much I'm going to push it. You can see Las Vegas over there to the right, though. But yeah, we're just cruising, regular, normal mode, nothing crazy, just cruising. As you can see, the ground's kind of dropping off and I'm just going out straight, but it's climbing in altitude. So basically, I'm flying in normal mode, but I'm using the FPV goggles and the FPV controller, the controller 3. So that's where you're getting the heads up display from. See downtown to the right there. But yeah, we're approaching 1,000 feet. From distance, about 150 feet off the ground. 13 mile an hour ground speed. Not bad. 75% battery, 95% on the goggles. And you do get some interference there, but nothing crazy. Just continuing to go. Yeah, the battery is going to determine the long range. So we want to see what kind of range I can get out of this little battery that they got. It works pretty good. I'm getting like 8 minutes flight time on FPV, just kind of cruising around. I don't know what I'll get on this, but the high wind is definitely going to affect the range. I know going out will be a problem, but coming back should be easier. It's just how far can you go? And see, and I've reached my altitude, like 400 feet. And it's getting kind of wobbly there. So we're at 2,700 feet away from where I took off. 59% on the battery. I'm just I'm trying to drop down a little bit so I stay within the height, but like continuing to move forward. There's 3,000 feet right here. 55%. You can see it shaking. So I'm like 3,300 feet away with 51% battery. So I'm turning around. I'm a little hesitant to push it too far. I probably should have went further than 50 because I know it's going to be easier to come back, but I didn't want to push it too hard. I don't want to lose the drone and spend the evening searching for it, so I'm just having it come back. And 17 miles per hour, ground speed's moving back faster. We're at a flight time of over 5 minutes. It's doing pretty good, really. I mean, the area is super scenic. This is my riding area that I ride a lot. And I'm making quick time back. I dropped like 10% and I'm already halfway back. So I should have went further, for sure. I got a feeling I'm going to make it back no problem. And like I say, this is 15 mile an hour winds easy. A constant 15 mile an hour. Maybe gusts up to 20 at times, but it's a consistent 15 miles per hour. And now that 15 mile per hour wind is at my tail, so I got a tailwind and it's pushing me back pretty fast. It's like only 20% to come back, 20% of the battery and I'm gonna be back. So like I should have went further, give me a realistic range, but so it looks like I'm gonna make it back pretty safe. But that's over a half a mile. I feel like I could have went a whole mile, 5,200 feet. I did 3,200 feet. I still got 30% of the battery left. So I feel like I could go a mile out and return in a mile and be safe with the DJI Neo 2 long range test. I think I could get a mile out of it. It's 30% still left. So yeah, I feel like consistently I could do 1 mile and turn around and come back safely. Long range. I think that's fair to say. I could get close to a mile for sure, guaranteed. Like here, I'm like 2/3 of a mile, and I still had 30% battery left, so I feel like I could do a mile and come back, as long as the wind is fairly decent, or like I did here, into the wind and then come back. That's the range test on DJI Neo 2. Hope you liked it. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching the video. If you want some more DJI Neo 2 videos, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.